Under the blistering July sun at the Misano World Circuit, Ducati didn't just throw a party, they declared war on the Supermoto establishment. Exactly a century after their founding on July 4, 1926, the Bologna brand marked their 100th anniversary at World Ducati Week by pulling the covers off a tantalizing pre-production prototype, the Desmo450 SM. While centennials are often celebrated with nostalgic rear releases or bloated Grand Tourers dripping in chrome, Ducati has refreshingly opted to celebrate its heritage with raw, unfiltered aggression. This is no museum piece. It's a statement of track-focused intent. Visually sliding into the lineup alongside the road-going hypermotored 698 Mono and hypermotored V2, the Desmo450 SM draws a stark, uncompromising line in the sand. It is strictly not road legal. In a bold move that underscores its singular purpose, it will be the only production Ducati to roll off the showroom floor wearing slick rubber as standard equipment, showcased at Misano on a set of sticky Metzeler race deck SM. It's a machine built for apexes and backing it into corners, not for cruising avenues, signaling a genuine commitment to pure motorsport rather than chasing watered-down, street-legal homologation sales. Beneath the minimalist plastics beats a reworked heart borrowed from its dirt-slinging sibling, the Desmo450 MX. While Ducati remained tight-lipped, and the bike remained frustratingly silent during its static debut, the nomenclature confirms the return of a 449.6cc DOHC liquid-cooled single, complete with their signature Desmodromic valve timing. In its off-road guise, this power plant produces a claimed 62.6 brake horsepower and 39.5 pounds-feet of torque. However, a critical eye knows that Supermoto demands a vastly different power delivery. We fully expect internal engine revisions and altered final gearing to ensure this single-cylinder punches hard out of tight tarmac hairpins. Ducati's head of product communications, Giulio Fabri, was quick to dispel any notions that this is merely a parts bin special, insisting, "This is not the Desmo450 MX with new wheels." Flanked by four-time Supermoto world champion Marc-René Schmidt, who has been instrumental in the bike's development, Fabri promised comprehensive overhauls to the chassis, suspension, brakes, and engine. Most audaciously, he claimed it will be the lightest bike of this category. It's a massive promise to make in a specialized paddock where every gram counts, raising the stakes for when Schmidt finally drops the clutch for the launch video ahead of the official September reveal. Scrutinizing the hardware on display, the SM is a masterclass in purpose-built engineering, sporting spoke Takasago Excel rims, an upswept single exhaust, and manually adjusted long-travel Showa forks paired with a wavy Galfer front disc. When full technical details land in mid-September, the Desmo450 SM will officially enter a fiercely contested, highly niche arena. It isn't just taking on the track, it's staring down established titans like the 11,449-pound KTM 450 SMR and the 11,499-pound Husqvarna FS450. The Austrians have owned this space for years, but if Ducati's century of racing pedigree is anything to go by, this currently silent prototype is about to make a deafening noise.